I want to welcome you guys to the Gamma Hitta FX blade install. It's going to be pretty much the same installation on the Evos as well as the wall detailers. And it's not really too hard if you follow these steps. It is kind of detailed, so make sure that you paying close attention. But to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what comes in the kit. And basically, we have our base that's going to attach to the hitter. It comes with these two screws. We have this cam that's going to take the place of the cam that's inside of the blade itself, and also these two screws, which is going to hold this blade down against this base. But to get it started, just with the base install, it's pretty basic. What we're going to do is just take this base. You see how they have the holes in here, and with these two wide holes pointed down, just gonna put that over these two ferrules like so. And then screw into place. Now that that's out the way, we're gonna go ahead and just remove this part. We won't need this. And make sure that you guys put your spare parts inside like a Ziploc bag or something. Just because you might want to go back to that later. Remove these two screws. This tool that I'm using is a Allen key. It did come with the Babyliss clippers inside the kit. The blade header kit that came with those clippers. Fortunately, I did have that handy. But if you don't have one of these, I think the size is maybe a 10 of the Allen screw. Basically what I'm gonna do is replace this cam follower with this one that allows you to put over the shaft of the hitter. So I'm go ahead and finish taking this out. And also make sure that you guys doing this over a nice size surface that's not too cluttered, because these are very small screws and you do not want to lose these, trust me. So on the back here, these two parts, if you have trouble with these coming out, these two screw ferrules, try to keep your fingers over these two holes, and then add this part, this cam follower, like so. And we're just gonna slip that over the top of that. And that's dead on the money. So I was gonna tell you guys, this is a good time to go ahead and set your blade before you tighten these screws down. But for some reason, I kind of got it on the money right there. But let me double check, because I do have terrible eyes. Yeah, you just tighten it like so. So basically, this is how your assembly should look. You got your cutter. This is the elite cam for the hitters. This is the original back piece with the blade slide. Slides right on top of that hole. Now, next up, we are gonna need the last two parts that come with this kit, which are the blade screws. All right, now that we got that out the way, we're gonna go ahead and apply this blade. And this is very simple. This is probably the simplest part of the project or the modification. And basically, I just want to line this up over the shaft. Make sure that these two tension springs are in the proper location, right here and right here. And then it's just a matter of screwing in these last screws. You don't have to put too much pressure on these screws. Like I said, it's, once you feel that it's secure and snug, you can pretty much stop. Um, you could double check, make sure everything is flat and flush and lined up before you turn it on. And this is the same install as like I said, the Gamma Hittas, the Gamma Evos, and the wall decellers as well. But yeah, that's what we have, guys. Let me know what you think. And the name of the website, by the way, is eliteclippermods.com. Also follow us on Instagram, Elite Clipper Mods, ECM. That's pretty much it. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace.